Hello, smart people. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the depths of human behavior and self-improvement. In today's video, we'll delve into 6 signs that indicate you might be abandoning yourself for others. So, let's jump right in. Segment 1. Definition and explanation. Before we get into the signs, let's briefly understand what fawning is. Fawning is a coping mechanism often associated with people-pleasing and excessive concern for others' opinions. It involves sacrificing your own needs and desires to maintain harmony or gain approval from others. Now, let's explore the signs that you might be fawning. Segment 2. Sign 1. Difficulty saying no. The first sign that you might be abandoning yourself for others is difficulty saying no. If you find yourself saying yes to things you don't want to do just to avoid conflict or displeasing someone, this could be a clear indicator of fawning behavior. Remember, setting boundaries is crucial for maintaining a healthy relationship with yourself and others. Segment 3. Sign 2. Constant need for approval. Sign number 2 is a constant need for approval. If you often seek external validation and feel distressed when you don't receive it, you might be prioritizing others' opinions over your own authenticity. It's essential to remember that true self-worth comes from within. Segment 4. Sign 3. Ignoring your own emotions. Moving on to the third sign, pay attention if you consistently ignore or suppress your own emotions to avoid conflict or keep others happy. Your emotions matter, and acknowledging them is a crucial step towards a healthier relationship with yourself. Segment 5. Sign 4. Fear of rejection. Sign number 4 is a fear of rejection. If the thought of being rejected or disliked by others terrifies you to the point where you compromise your own values and needs, it's time to reflect on whether you are fawning to maintain external acceptance. Segment 6. Sign 5. Difficulty identifying your own needs. The fifth sign is difficulty identifying your own needs. Fawning often involves losing touch with your own desires and needs because you're too busy meeting others' expectations. Take the time to reconnect with yourself and understand what truly matters to you. Segment 7. Sign 6. Feeling drained or resentful. And finally, the sixth sign is feeling consistently drained or resentful. If you find yourself constantly giving to others without replenishing your own energy, it could lead to burnout and resentment. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's necessary for a balanced life. If you resonate with any of these signs, take the time to reflect and make positive changes in your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. Until next time, stay smart, stay true to yourself, and take care.